Trip planning for CDL drivers can be a headache. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the CDL School's USA Trip Planner to build a truck-safe route, estimate your fuel cost, and get turn-by-turn navigation set up in just a couple of minutes. From the CDL Schools USA homepage, scroll down to the Quick Tools bar and click on Trip Planner. That opens the CDL Route Planner. On the left, you've got your trip details, and on the right, you'll see the map and extra tools that update as you plan your route. Let's start with the basics. In box A, type your starting city or zip code. In box B, enter your destination. If you have more than one pickup or drop, click Add Stop and add each stop in the order you plan to visit them. The planner connects those stops into one continuous route, so you don't have to calculate each leg by hand. If you ever want to start over, just click Clear All and the form resets. Next, we'll dial in the fuel numbers so your estimates make sense. Click Cost and MPG settings, then choose Edit Defaults. Here you can enter your truck's miles per gallon and your current fuel price. When you save these as defaults, every future trip will use the same values, so your fuel cost estimates stay consistent with what you're actually seeing at the pump. If you ever upgrade to the Pro version, this is also where you'll unlock things like saving unlimited trips, tracking expenses from your receipts, and generating tax and IFTA-friendly reports. Once your route is calculated, look over to the Along Your Route panel on the right. Here you'll see truck stops and other services that sit along your path. You can check fuel prices, see parking availability, star ratings, and amenities like showers, Wi-Fi, and restaurants, so you can pick the best place to stop before you even leave. You can also switch over to the Way Stations tab to see way stations along your route and plan around them. When you're ready to roll, click Open in Navigation. You can send your trip straight into Google Maps, Apple Maps, or Waze if you like using those. For truck-specific GPS, you can open the same route in apps like Trucker Path or Copilot Truck, and there's even a GPX download option if you want to load the route into a Garmin or another GPS device. And that's how the CDL School's USA Trip Planner works. Enter your stops, set your truck info once, check services along your route, and then send it right to the navigation app you trust. If this video helped you out, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another driver who could use easier trip planning.